Bibbidi unboxing. I don't know why it's February and it's Christmas, but it's got the Christmas truck and Mickey shape and snowman and Christmas lights and Mickey shapes and ho-ho who looks like ornaments. That's cute. I'm pretty sure this is my Harry Potter, but I won't know for sure until I get it. Let me check Chris's hair. He doesn't know that I got this for him. Yes! Hey! I started going through the wish list and hearting things, and I made a video about it, and I'll link it up here. Up here so that you guys can go see it. But the thing that I really wanted to get for Chris this was too big to show it to you guys, but it was in a bag. There was no Googles. Hard to get out of the bag. I got out this Dumbledore, the Funko Pop for Chris. This is awesome. Oh my god, he's gonna love it. This is so awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And for those that don't know, I'm an out-of-box collector. Dumbledore looks like out of the box. And what Hogwarts looks like. So awesome. This is so cool. They even have the clock right there. So much detail. It is so cool. And the other choices in this would have been Harry Potter, Hermione Granger, or Ron Weasley. I love this. This is so awesome. Oh my gosh, she is going to be so happy to see this. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So the next item is, ooh, he's gonna love this one too. It's a Game Boy heat change mug, and it changes between either it's cold or it's hot. That is so cool. It looks so retro. I like that background. And the last item, oh my gosh, yay! It's a Happy Christmas Bibbidi Wishes candle. We hope you enjoy your treasure hunt. Always be sure to let the silver prize become fully visible and put out the flame before removal. Never leave an open flame unattended or near children and pets. What's it smell like? I don't remember what this thing's supposed to smell like. Actually, it kind of smells like caramel. Is that what it was? I know it. I think it showed me on the website. I just don't remember. But that's what it looks like, and it really smells like caramel. So I think that might have been the scent. Hopefully, I'm right about that. It really smells really good. So it's so cool. He's gonna love everything in this box. Thank you. Comes with a really cool bag that says "Good Vibes Only." Bibbidi, don't fit in, stand out. I like the detail in it, like the 60s vibe. There's a flower and a smiley face. Now for the list. It says, your box was curated with love by Becky. Thank you, Becky. The Nintendo Game Boy Heat Change mug was $12.99. The Bibbidi X Wishes Candle Co. Holiday 8-ounce candle, Happy Christmas. And the scent is butterscotch, vanilla, and whipped cream. So it wasn't caramel, it's butterscotch that it's only. It smells really good though. It's at $20. And then the Funko Pop Town Harry Potter 20th Anniversary Dumbledore with Hogwarts final figure was $34.99. And the total is $67.98. That says, thanks for choosing Bibbidi. We hope you love your order. Yes, I do. Very much so. Thank you, thank you, thank you. No, for the, obviously. My favorite item would be Dumbledore. You guys want to leave me a comment in the comment section what your favorite item is? And if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to the bell on.